A finite verb is a crucial part of a sentence. It's a verb that has a subject and shows tense. Let's break this down. When we say John cooks carrots, the finite verb is cooks. Here, John is the subject performing the action, and cooks tells us that this action is happening in the present tense. Now, what makes finite verbs special is that they can stand alone in a sentence and still convey a complete thought. For example, in she runs every morning, runs is the finite verb. It has a subject, she, and it's in the present tense. If we change the subject to they, we can say they run every morning. Notice how the verb form stays the same, but the subject changes. Let's look at another example. The dog barked loudly. Here, barked is our finite verb. The subject is the dog, and the verb is in the past tense. This tells us that the action happened before now. Finite verbs can also appear in different tenses. For instance, I will eat lunch at noon. In this case, will eat is the finite verb, indicating a future action. Finite verbs can also be used in questions. Take, did she finish her homework? Here, did finish is the finite verb. Did helps us understand that we're talking about the past, while she is the subject. Let's explore a few more examples to solidify our understanding. In they are playing soccer, our playing is the finite verb, they is the subject, and the verb shows that the action is happening right now, in the present continuous tense. Now consider he had finished his project. The finite verb here is had finished. He is the subject, and this verb tells us that the action was completed in the past. It's important to note that finite verbs can also change form based on the subject. For example, I walk, you walk, he walks, and they walk. The verb walk changes slightly when the subject is he to walks, but it remains a finite verb because it still has a subject and indicates tense. In summary, finite verbs are essential for constructing meaningful sentences. They provide clarity by showing who is doing the action and when it's happening. Whether it's in the present, past, or future, finite verbs help us communicate effectively. So the next time you write or speak, pay attention to those finite verbs. They're the backbone of your sentences.